Welcome back. Well, it was a nice day outside today. We have some men here golfing at the Hattiesburg Country Club this morning. And once again, if you had any outdoor plans, it was good to get them done early on because it got steamy here in the afternoon. We're still talking dew points, thankfully, are a little bit lower than what we expected, so our heat index values weren't nearly as high. But still, overall, I mean, you can see some of the cloud activity, if this goes in motion here, some of the clouds that we had move overhead. Showers and thunderstorm activity well on up to our south, so we're not worried too much about those. Unfortunately, it's not looking to be any better. We're not looking at showers and thunderstorms for a while right now on your 7-day forecast. Tonight's lows right near 70 degrees, winds at the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour, mainly clear skies. And for your Tuesday, basically all like it was last week as well, just hot. We have a high pressure just sitting over us right now, really not doing anything. And now it's going to slowly start to move as we go on throughout the week. So today and tomorrow are going to be the hottest days on your 7-day forecast. We'll get a little bit of relief in sight. Not talking about rain, but just talking cooler temperatures overall. And that'll be a nice break from this heat. We'll get to near normal, which will be nice. Highs for tomorrow, again, mid to upper 90s. Winds kind of shifting more out of the east-southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny and very hot overall. Now I want to show you what our heat index values are forecasted to be, anywhere between 105 to 108 degrees, but these are probably overdoing it a little bit. The latest data that's been coming in is actually keeping some of that moisture down to the south a little bit more, kind of lowering our dew points, and so that'll help keep our heat index values a few degrees cooler. We don't expect right now, at least, to reach that heat index that heat advisory criteria with our heat index, so we'll have to be watching out for that closely. Still, it's going to be warm nonetheless, no matter how you put it. Here we go, radar side over the past couple of hours. Here's kind of that northern boundary of shower activity that we had. So we had a few drizzly patches here in Hattiesburg, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. It's been about it. Most people didn't really see anything, just some clouds kind of move overhead. That was nice, kind of give you a slight break from the heat. But again, we don't want clouds during the overnight hours because that just keeps us warmer than it would be under clear skies. Remember, that radiation wants to go out. Clouds just reflect it back down to the surface. Future radar going into tomorrow, clearing on out. And then throughout your day Tuesday, we're watching down to the south and to the west. This is a little bit of a tropical wave, but right now it's not really trying to move up in our direction, just kind of sitting down to our southwest. So we think most of over the next couple of days it should remain down there. We can see it right here on our water vapor imagery. What we're watching for is one, this high pressure just sitting over the eastern U.S. to move out of here, as well as a front that's looking to move on through later on this week. That's going to be nice. Again, shower and thunderstorm activity will mainly be on off to our west, but this big dip in the jet stream is a good sign. Has some cooler weather that should slowly be making its way towards our area. Some models have us going into next week near average or slightly below average. Yeah, so we'll be waiting on that. Of course, a lot's going to change between now and then. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Again, the next 2 days, very hot outside, 98 degrees for both Tuesday and Wednesday. As we go into your Thursday, we'll have a slight chance of some showers, 93 degrees. And then here we go. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, temperatures get back into the upper 80s, right near average. Overnight lows in the mid-60s on to next week. And then the first day of fall, Monday, temperatures return once again back above average in the mid-90s.